talking about online, since the last time we were here, Ian had 3 subscribers.
No, I had 127.
127. And what you're on now?
I had 127 subscribers, and I had my YouTube channel for 2 years, but I'd done nothing with it. And I'm just short of 40,000 in just about 4 months.
Yeah, amazing.
All thanks to you, mate. Thank you.
Wow. Well, should we talk about that as well just before we start? So, the Stylish Blow Up blueprint is what we've been working on.
Yeah.
And it's basically a rundown of we used Ian as a case study, how to go from 127 subscribers to what we wanted was 1,000.
1,000 we wanted.
In like 10 weeks.
1,000 by Christmas, remember?
Yeah, 10 weeks, wasn't it?
It started in October the 7th, and I wanted to get to 1,000 by Christmas. Yeah. And by Christmas, I actually had hit 10,000.
Yeah.
By following the strategy that you set out for.
Yeah. I'm just going to jump on my YouTube 1 second. But yeah, so the strategy is very, very simple, isn't it? Just give them like a teaser of what we did, but don't give it away. Yeah,
well, basically you gave me a program of, first of all, you showed me how to edit, which is like, for me, a technophobe. It was so simple. That was like the best thing. And unlike you on your YouTube, you use your laptop a lot. I'm actually I only use my phone. I have done stuff on my laptop. I find that more challenging. But I'm going to break that this year. I'm going to be more laptop oriented. But at the moment, I'm doing everything on my phone, which is so easy, it's so accessible. And then you gave me a strategy, and we talked about the strategy and what I should do. And it was about making sure I was looking at my time, my times I was posting, looking at my demographics, what I was looking at, all of those things. And it was so easy. Like it was so simple actually. It was so simple, not easy. But once I followed it and I got into habit, it's just a habit. And now I just do it every day. I've just been away skiing for a week and I set content, believe it or not, to just do automatically while I was away. I didn't even look at my YouTube while I was away, but I still gained something like 1,000 subscribers while I was skiing, which is like incredible. And actually, Paul, I've got over 10 million now, finally.
Yeah.
So, 10,200,000
What,
views
in 90 days?
90 days. So I can now monetize.
Awesome.
So I'm so happy with that. Obviously, that was the aim to get there eventually. And as a backup to that, I'm doing mine on all shorts. And now my long form is taking off. Now I'm having like 10,000 views on my long form, which I haven't had before. So it's like feeding into that now. People are getting interested in what I'm doing on my long form as well as my shorts. So on my shorts, I've hit 10 million, in 90 days, I had 10,250,000 views.
Wow.
Where do you find the time to? It's honestly, it's like it takes minutes. It did take me longer. Initially, it took me like probably, how long? Probably 15 minutes to edit one video. But it's a secret to it. I only film like 2 videos a week, maybe 3 videos a week, which are 9 minutes long, 10 minutes long max. Usually shorter, 7 to 10 minutes, I'd say. And then I edit those down into shorts. And I got out of 2 haircuts, I have a week full of content for my YouTube. And it's like genius. It's like unbelievable. I know you smiling, but it's like a proud daddy moment, isn't it?
Well, the strategy worked.
Yeah.
It worked.
It's been phenomenal. I've got to be honest with you guys.
And it worked for everybody. So as soon as I mean, we need to get a course or maybe something on here. I don't know, but yeah, we've got something.
We've got a group on Facebook.
We have, yeah.
Well, thanks, Wendy. Wendy, you've seen it all, and Wendy would testify that I was probably the least techno person in the whole of the Joyco Europe team. Even worse than David Murray, I'd say. But I was always open to doing things. I just didn't know how, and now I've got it. I just enjoy. I actually enjoy it as well. It's become a real. It's given me like a new outlook on hairdressing, on how I look at hair cutting, how I look at my clients, all of those things. It's reinvigorated my career, like, you know, and I'm so thankful. So I'm really, really happy and blessed that I've come across other people I've had who support me, like you, and you know, obviously the people in Joyco Europe, you know, we couldn't do this without, you know. But it's like phenomenal. Anyway, enough about that. I've grown a lot, Wendy says. Yeah, I think it's fun and not like and instead of all the trouble. Yeah, it used to be so much trouble. So yeah, and it is fun now, and I just like it is just cool.